Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to format your Word document that you're going to use for your essay. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to File and you're going to create a new document. So you'll click on New and it's just a blank document, and then click on that and you'll have the document up. And the first thing you want to do right off the bat is get the spacing correct and the font correct. So you're going to go and choose Times New Roman. And you might have to scroll down if you've never used it before because all your fonts are listed alphabetically. But you'll choose Times New Roman. You'll choose 12-point fonts. Then you're going to go over here to the paragraph section and you're going to select line and paragraph spacing. And you're going to click on that and you're going to go to line spacing options. And down here, for the spacing, you want to get rid of this 6 and make it a 0. So you'll click down and it'll be 0 here. What that does is every time you hit enter, it might add more space between paragraphs, which is fine for letters and correspondence. It is not correct for English essays. Line spacing, you're going to choose double. And there you have it. So go ahead and click OK. And then you're going to go and do the heading of your essay. And each time you write an essay, it's going to start out this way. So the first thing that you're going to put is your name. I'm typing your name, but you would really put what your name actually is. The second line would have your professor's name. And I happen to be Mrs. DeFeo, so you'd put Mrs. DeFeo here. The third line is going to be the class that you're taking. So we're English 101, don't worry about the ALP. Now I'm going to ask you to do one little thing different than the rest of the MLA. I'm going to ask you to put a slash and the name of the assignment, and this will just help me because, again, I've got all kinds of students and this helps me know that I'm looking at the right thing and grading it correctly. So this one is called the 3-paragraph essay. And finally, you need to put the date. Today is September 8th. 2020. On this line, for a moment, we're going to go and center it. And you're going to go and put a title. So, try to be a little creative, try to hook the reader. You can have some fun with this. You want it to sort of represent what the topic of the essay is going to be, but you can have some fun. So, since I'm just in a silly mood, I'm going to put Star Wars, A New Hope. And hopefully you know exactly where that came from. Then you're going to hit enter and notice that I'm centered. What I have to remember now is to go back up here and align it to the left, and that will start my paragraphs on the left side like it should. And every time you start a new paragraph, you're going to hit the tab key on your keyboard. So you'll hit tab and this is an introduction paragraph. So that is an introductory paragraph. Of course, it's going to have more sentences than what I put here. But every time you start a new paragraph, you're going to want to indent. And so it continues until you're finished writing your essay. So this concludes the tutorial on how to format your papers for college English essays.